Welcome to Blooms for Schools. Now that you have admin access to your school, please jumpstart your community. Blooms offers you to customize your community page. To upload a mascot, click on the box right here. Now, you can easily upload a picture you prefer. If you would like to change the cover photo, click on Edit Cover Photo and upload an image. Blooms allows more than one admin within your community. To add more admins to your community, please look for the Members tab. Click the Plus Members button on the right side of the community page. After that, please click School Admin. And finally, click on Type emails or phone numbers manually. Here, you can enter or copy and paste the emails of the school admins and send them an invite with the click of a button. Please make sure the emails are separated by commas. Add multiple classes to your community at once. First, click on Classes, Groups tab. Click on the Plus Class Group button in the right of the middle panel. After that, click on Class or Child Care Room. Here, you can create each class. If you would like to easily add another class, click Add Another. Now that you have all your classes down, invite all the rightful teachers and parents. Easily do this by clicking on the Classes tab. Next, click on the plus button across each class name. After that, click on Invite to Class. Here, you have the option to invite teachers or parents. To invite teachers first, click on Teacher, and finally, click on Type the emails manually. Here you can enter the emails of the teachers and send the invites. To invite the parents, click Parent. If the parents don't have an email address, click on Class Access Code and hand out the instructions PDF. If parents do have emails, please click on Type the emails manually and type each one.